And at the end of this video, you guys are going to be seeing how much YouTube pay me for 100,000 view video. How interesting does that sound? This video has gotten 100k view, okay? And this is my 100k view, my first 100k view ever. When I mean ever. I have never gotten 100k view on YouTube. This is my first 100k view. Anyways, I put out a community tab of this, my first 100k view on YouTube, and then I asked you guys, do you want to know how much YouTube pay me for 100,000 view as a new YouTuber, as an aspiring YouTuber, as someone that is planning, or you're not planning to do YouTube but you just want to know what YouTube revenue is given to small content creators like us? And you guys came up with a whole lot. This particular plenty screenshot that you guys are seeing here. Yes, so we want to know, Sonia, please show us, please show us, please show us. And main reason why I am doing all of this, I keep saying it, not because Sonia is being proud or being boastful, but I'm doing this to motivate other small content creators that don't even have the idea at all that YouTube is paying. That is one. There are people watching videos say that they don't know that YouTube is paying. There are people creating content that they don't know that YouTube is paying. Secondly, I am doing this to tell you that this thing you are doing as a YouTuber, you are definitely going to profit all of that, okay? And before we will talk plenty into this video, I just want you to know that if you are not monetized on YouTube, for you to be monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, and of which it is not difficult to get. We do our live stream every 10 p.m. daily. You can check out our live stream so that you can also be able to learn more from us and learn more from other people. And guys, I did a live stream about this 100,000 view video, and a lot of you guys came through for me. We even got super chats saying congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. And to everyone wishing me congratulations, I pray that you're going to also receive this good news in Jesus' name. Before we get into talking, because we are definitely going to talk as usual, let's just head into the screen record, because somebody said make sure you do a detailed analysis. We want to see everything. Expose YouTube for us, and that is what I'm going to do. So I'm also there with my screen record, and this is the video I did, how much YouTube pay me, and this video was posted 10 months ago. So I click on that video right now, and I'm going to be clicking on the analysis or the performance of this video. So this is me clicking. You can see that this video has gotten 10,117 views. God forbid, 100,117 views, okay? Not 10,000, please, okay? And yes, with no plenty talk, let's go to the reach of this video. For the reach of this video has gotten an impression of 1.3 million impression, and of which is something to be grateful to God for. This is my highest impression gotten from a particular video, and you can see how viewers found this video. Browse features, YouTube search, suggested videos, other YouTube features and others, and external sites and app that are suggesting this video is what? Google search, whatsapp.com, WhatsApp, and YouTube search term for this video is how much YouTube pay, how does YouTube pay, how much YouTube pay per views, okay? Content suggesting this video is I grew from 46 to 5,000 subscribers. I watched this lady. This is not my content. My first paycheck is not my content. I just lost my YouTube channel monetization is my content. How to create YouTube channel, and then you won't believe blah blah blah. All of these are what is suggesting. The playlist featuring this video is what? How much YouTube pay, and African history and goals, okay? I don't even know this person's channel, okay? Anyways, let's go to the engagement of this video, because I'm so excited. For the engagement of this video has gotten a watch time of 4,700. And you can see how the spike line is going. And then for the audience retention, to everybody that clicked this video, they watch at least 2 minutes 51 seconds, okay? And of which in the initial stage when I posted this video, they were watching more than this, but for them to still watch up to this level, I am still grateful. And then key moments for my audience is, you can just see the spike. I don't even know how to explain when it comes to the key moments. And then, okay, the likes and dislike, you guys can see it here. So let's go to the audience of this video. For the audience of this video, we have returning viewers 0. We have age that are watching this video, which is 13 to 17, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64. The only age that is not watching this video is audience that's 65 above that are not watching this video. Then for the gender of this video, both male and female are watching. Male is even watching this video more than female. You can see that everybody wants to hustle. The guys, they know they smile. And then the top geographical locations, the geographical countries that are watching this video is Nigerian, United States, Kenya, Ghana, and then United Kingdom, and of which is something to be grateful for. Thank you so much. Shout out to you all. I love you. And then you can see title, top subtitle, language, blah blah blah. Watch time from subscribers. You guys can see it here. Okay. And then I want to show you guys the subscribers. Okay, how many subscribers I was able to get from this video. I think I can just see this from the overview. I'm able to get 2,000 plus subscribers from just this video alone. Okay, from a 100k video. You can see that if I am looking for watch time or subscribers to monetize my channel, this video alone can actually do that for me, because this video is posted 10 months ago, and before a period of 1 year, if I can get these years, that means I can monetize my channel. Something to be grateful for. Now let's go to the revenue of this video. For the revenue of this video has gotten $275.53. $275.53. That is how much a 100k view will be able to generate for me. How I make my money: 99% is from watch paid ads. YouTube Premium is just video performance. You can see for my video performance, for every 1k view I get to upload, I will make $2.76, and of which is something to be grateful for. And how much advertisers are paying for this video? Advertisers are paying $6.06. Earnings by skippable, display, bomber, non-skippable. Can you guys see? So we have $275.53. Let's just go to our calculator and know how much we've been able to generate in Nigerian currency. So let's click on our calculator right now. And once we click, we are going to do 275 times, today that I'm filming this video, dollar is above 1,500, but let's just use 1,500 so that we'll not over exaggerate it. So if I'm using 1,500, I've been able to make 412,500 naira in Nigerian currency. This guy got another one. I've been able to make $412. Sorry, 412,500. That means I've been able to make over 400,000 in Nigerian currency. Let's talk about this video. I've stopped my screen record. When I posted this video, the initial period, this video was not making anything. This video was not moving. It was not moving at all. I remember posting this video. This video has not even gotten up to 1,000 views in a whole week, or is it a whole month? I don't even know. I've forgotten, but I know it has not gotten 1,000 views. And this video started peaking just the beginning of this year, and then to this point, this video has gotten 100,000 views. And that is why I always tell you that the only thing you need to do is to push out videos there. Pump in videos. This is a video that I didn't even dress up like this to come and sit down for this video. I just stood in my office place. I was just thinking, why won't I post a video for today? What do I create? What do I post? I was even wearing, that thing you're seeing is my sweater that I usually wear in the office, because that particular day I work nights, okay? So anytime I'm working night, because of the AC and how the environment is, I'll always wear my cardigan. So I wore the cardigan and I was contemplating, should I go inside and change, or should I not go inside and change? And I was just going through my analysis, and I saw that that particular video I used on that video has gotten 1,000 views. And then I just said, okay, let me do an analysis of how much YouTube pay me, okay? And how the intro came about, I didn't know. I just know that I did something that I feel it is unique. Yes, that intro is very unique. It is very hard for you to go to so many person's channel and start seeing that particular type of intro. Yes, I can tell you that. And that is why the audience spike from that video is coming from the intro of that particular video. Because I was able to show directly and said, oh, I'm going to show you how much I made at the end of this video for 1,000 views. And To be honest, if you check all of that intro I've been using to do in some of my how much YouTube pay me videos, they have higher views than the ones I don't even have that intro on at all. This is to tell you that there is nothing you do on YouTube here that is a waste. Yes, there is nothing you do on YouTube here that is a waste. I just have less than 80 something, or yes, 80 something thousand, or less than that to get up to ₦500,000 naira just creating content on YouTube. So if you're watching this video and at this point of your life you've not started creating videos, you don't even know what to create, or you started creating videos and at some point you want to give up on YouTube, I advise you, don't give up on YouTube, okay? Because nobody knows the particular video that will actually blow up. That is just the plain truth. You don't know the particular video that will announce you out there. And since you don't know the particular video that will announce you out there, just keep doing what you know how to do best. Just keep uploading videos. Try different varieties of videos. I know it is very good when people say, oh, let's niche down, let's niche down, let's niche down. In as much as you're trying to niche down, try to also create other videos that you can put in your channel, okay? Because you don't know the ones that will actually sell out for you. Anytime you feel weak, anytime you feel like, oh, you're giving up on YouTube, remember Sonia. Remember that there was one Sonia 3 years ago that was not making anything on YouTube, and today she's making something out of YouTube. And another thing that I want to say again to motivate you all is that see, for you to get a job that will actually pay you this amount, no matter the city that you are, I don't know, but for those of us that are in Nigeria, we know how far. So if you are watching me and you have not even think of creating content, or you've been contemplating, your mind has been telling you, should I do it, should I not do it, please start creating content, because trust me, you're definitely not going to regret this, okay? I don't want it to look like I'm blabbing too much. Probably I'm going to do a proper video on everything you need to know about YouTube and how it all started, probably my story over and over again. And you guys are going to love that, okay? So let me know in the comment section if it's that particular video that brought you down to my channel, or if it's another video that brought you down here to my channel. I would really love to know. Let me know if you have started making revenue on YouTube. And please, for those ones that are watching, some persons can make more than this amount of revenue I did. Some persons can make less than this amount of revenue, because I've watched several persons on how much YouTube paid them for 100,000 views, and some persons are making less than 100, some persons 150,000, some persons 170 something, but mine came to over 200 and something. It is something to be grateful for. Picking out the right niche for yourself is also something that you love to work on. Anyways, I'm blabbing too much. Yes, I've said that. I'm blabbing too much. Guys, with no further ado, that's Sonia getting 100,000 views. With no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye. I love you guys.